Olympiad lesson for grade 1. Living and non-living things. Teacher Elli is here to help us learn about living and non-living things. She asks all the students to look out of the window. Living things are trees, butterflies, birds, dogs and cats that you all can see out of the window. Animals and insects are also living things. Now let me take you all to the garden. Observe all the plants. They are living as a family. To name a few, there is a sunflower plant, tulips and marigold. All plants are living things. Now kids, let's again peep out of the window and find non-living things. Can you see the rocks, soil, sky, water and wood? These are all non-living things. Come, let's settle back in the classroom and find more non-living things. The desk, chair, blackboard, chalk and pencils are all man-made things. Now that you are very clear about living and non-living things, let's proceed. Living things. Breathe. Watch the dog breathing. Move. Watch the cat move from one place to another. Need food and water. Watch the parrot eating seeds and drinking water. Feel. Watch the girl crying. Reproduce. Watch the hen give birth to chicks. Grow. Watch a toddler turning into a young boy. Please note, non-living things do not share the above characteristics. Now let's learn a few more important facts. Plants and animals are living things. Plants cannot walk. Animals can walk. Non-living things like rocks and soil can't move. But certain non-living things such as cars and fans move, but not on its own. Living things grow in size. However, non-living things can't grow. But certain items such as doors might expand during the monsoon. Practice questions. Which of the following items are man-made? A. Chair. B. Stones. C. Dry fruits. D. Soil. Answer A. Chair. The chair is man-made. It is assembled using wood, plastic or other materials. We have made pairs of living and non-living things. Select the incorrect pair. A. Cat, stones. B. Sunflower, car. C. Parrot, pond. D. Pen, pencil. Answer D. Pen and pencil are both non-living and man-made and therefore are the incorrect pair. All living things can dash. A. Grow. B. Reproduce. C. Feel. D. All of the above. Answer all of the above. All living things can give birth, reproduce, grow and feel. Select the incorrect pair of man-made and living things. A. fish and eraser, B. pen and pigeon, C. fan and frog, D. tiger and trees. Answer D. Tiger and trees are both living things and therefore the incorrect pair. Which of the following statements does not show that living things move? A. A cat running after cheese. B. A turtle running to win the race. C. A rabbit hopping with carrot. D. A door closing behind a car. Answer D. Car door closing is man-made and moves but not on its own. Select the odd one out. Wood, soil, air, grass. Answer: grass is a living thing, others are non-living. Airplane, engine, passenger, bags. Answer: passengers are living, others are man-made. Cat, dog, pigeon, pumpkin. Answer: pumpkin is non-living, others are living. Man, boy, girl, house. Answer: house is non-living, others are living. If you enjoyed learning with us, please subscribe for more such Science Olympiad lessons.